Untitled. The twisted vine of my moral spine conceived amongst the stones, only to root in the whim of man-made winds, a worldly weight in feathery bones. Found myself thrust between the briar and its thorn, climbing the heights of a brittle trellis, spinning myself in whirling demonic dervish, leaving wilted arms broken and shorn, spiraling and molding myself into an obscene machine. Your divvy, utopia for the foolish saint, and sophomore haze for the ones who ain't. A heathen against all the old gods, a wizard's rival and magic as fraud, a scapegoat as lost sheep, the thief on the cross, a vine to reap, a freed albatross. Needs a lot of work. That was my 10-minute draft, which I commit to give you guys every day.